This file contains your financial life from 2019. Since the IRS audit window is usually 3 to 6 years, this file is critical. If you uninstalled the 2019 software, you can't view the PDF inside without reinstalling it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's find the installer. Consider this essential for your toolkit. A single program that can open hundreds of formats, including a partially broken TAX2019. My top choice is here, and we'll discuss more later. A TAX2019 file is a guide or help document associated with TurboTax 2019. It likely contains information, instructions, or tutorials related to using the software to prepare and file taxes for the 2019 tax year. This could be in the form of a PDF, HTML, or other document format, accessible within the TurboTax application or as a standalone file. The TAX 2019 file's design depends on the format used for the guide. If it's a PDF, it will adhere to the PDF standard, allowing for text, images, and interactive elements. If it's HTML, it will follow web standards for structuring content and linking to other resources. The file is designed for easy readability and navigation to assist users in understanding tax concepts and using TurboTax effectively. Historically, the main tool for managing the TAX 2019 type has been TurboTax 2019 by Intuit, Inc. The file is only recognizable by its name and size in Windows Explorer. Windows may show the file type, but the actual data must be opened in the supporting software. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your TAX 2019 file and click Open With. If TurboTax 2019 is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If you still cannot open your TAX 2019 file, that is okay. Errors with the TAX 2019 format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, install the correct software year. Tax files are not backward compatible. You must have TurboTax 2019 installed to read the tax logic embedded in this file. Next, update the program. Tax laws change mid-season. Ensure TurboTax is updated to the latest patch level to prevent calculation errors or read failures. Finally, use PDF backup. If the TAX 2019 file is corrupted, check your Documents folder for a PDF export, which contains the visual representation of the forms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.